Hi guys, Varun from Fonearena, and I have the iBall Slide WQ32 tablet here for an unboxing. The reason why I picked this up is because it is like currently on sale for about 10,000 rupees on Snapdeal. It was launched for about 17,000 rupees last year, but I think the price has been dropped, and we actually even bundling a free keyboard case with the device. So it's like a pretty good steal for 9,999 rupees. So ordered one and pretty much showed up the next day. It's actually a Windows 8 tablet with 3G data built in. You have a 3G data mode and has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of inbuilt memory with a micro SD card slot. So let's actually unbox this guy and take a look. So here we have the retail packaging. As you can see, it's Kareena Kapoor on the box here. She's a brand ambassador for iBall now. So you have an Intel processor on the inside. It's an Intel Atom processor Z3735D. So I think a quad-core 64-bit processor running on Windows 8.1, 8-inch display, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of inbuilt memory. It supports 3G data on the 2100 MHz frequency. 5 megapixel rear camera, 2 megapixel front camera. Does support USB OTG functionality as well, which is pretty interesting. And as you can see here, the pricing here, it's like a 16,999 MRP on the box, but picked it up just for 9,999 along with the case as well. And as you can see, they're including a USB OTG cable as well on the box itself. And yeah, so as you can see the Intel logo here, iBall logo on the specs on the back as well, Windows branding here as well. So let's actually open it up. And there's no specification about the mention about the actual strength of the battery but the capacity, but it says 14 watt hour. So here we have the device inside. So here we have the device, Windows tablet. I think iBall has started making a lot of Windows products recently. They even announced a Windows phone, and now this is the Windows tablet which they launched before that. So as you can see, you have the ports here for the SIM card as well as the micro SD card slot. I think it looks like a micro SIM being used for the data. Plasticky build quality, not too bad. And 16 GB of memory, Intel logo here, the iBall Slide branding here, 5 megapixel camera. And on the back you have, let's show it this way. So you have the headphone jack, micro USB port and a micro HDMI port as well. Nothing on the left side. You have the power button, microphone hole on the right side. I think it looks like an IR blaster or a microphone hole, not really sure. We'll take a look. And here's the volume rocker, power lock switch, and that's about it on the device. So let's actually power it on. Hopefully there's some charge on the device. So it's a 2 megapixel camera here for use it for your selfies, and there's a Windows key here. While it's booting up, let's actually take a look at the box contents as well. Considering they have packed a lot of stuff here. So this is a carry case and a cleaning cloth as well, which has been bundled. Pretty good value in terms of the package, getting a full truckload of accessories. You have a cleaning cloth, and then here's the USB OTG adapter. I'm not sure use it with this, but I'm sure it's going to be coming to handy for using with even Android phones. Pretty easy to use. And then this is the normal USB micro USB cable, and then you have, I don't know what is this, it's like a sticker, yeah, maybe. And here we have the user guide. So the specifications, nice that they've printed it, pretty easy to go through the unboxing. So you have the specifications here. It's an Intel Atom processor, Z3735D, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB inbuilt memory, card support 64 GB, 8.1 Windows, WCD made 2100 MHz, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and OTG support. There's a G sensor, and it's an 8-inch capacitive multi-touch screen, supports quite a variety of formats here. And yes, so that's a micro SIM card and a memory card slot. Weighs about 354 grams, not too heavy, not too light either. So this is the mini HDMI. It's not a micro HDMI. I was wrong. It's a mini HDMI, and the cable isn't included. So you need to get one in case you want to use it, and all that stuff. Feedback forms, and here's the another pouch. I think this is the wall charger. Yeah. So you have a that's how you get it. And you use a cable to charge the guy. It's a 2 ampere charger. So let's put this all aside. It's actually setting up now. So it's actually setting up. So we thought we'll show you the accessory as well. This is one which came along with the device. So this is the iBall tab key. It's a premium case and keyboard suitable for most 7-inch tablets. And it's got a micro USB connection, I guess. I'm not sure if it's a wireless or a wired one. It looks like a wired one from this mention of the micro USB and this cable here. So it says MRP 999 rupees, and yeah, I think it goes via a corded connection, and it's a micro USB. So it's 300 grams in terms of weight. So let's actually open this up and take a look. So here we have this guy. So some plastic material here. Okay, this is an interesting. Okay, that's a cable here. There's a micro USB here, so you can actually you can use this as a stand, and then let me actually pull out my phone and see if it works with the phone. I don't know if it works with the Samsung phone though. Let's try. It's funny that I'm actually typing using a wired keyboard. So this is something you get for free. So it's pretty cool though. Wired keyboard. I never thought there'll be a wired keyboard possible for mobile devices. So it actually exists, and you're getting it for free. So yeah, so you can actually use it with the tablet if you want. But yeah, now the device is set up. So let's quickly take a look. So here we have the device all set up, and as you can see, it works in both portrait and landscape mode. We have the desktop here with the browser loaded, i.e. so 1+1 has got an update to the Oxygen OS. Go and check it out. So you can check out probably we'll make a video about that as well. But yeah, we're talking about the iBall WQ32 device, Windows tablet, for just about 9,999 rupees. Pretty good package. And let's actually go into the PC info screen so that you can get an idea about the specs here. So here we are looking at the OS itself and the PC info screen. So it's actually running on Windows 8.1 with Bing, and it's powered by an Intel Atom CPU Z3735D running at 1.3 GHz. I think the burst speed is up to 1.8 GHz. So 2 GB of RAM. It's 32-bit OS, but a 64-bit processor. It's a quad-core processor, and feels pretty decent for the price. You're getting full Windows. It's not Pro, but Windows 8.1 full Windows, not the stupid RT used to come last year. You can get all your desktop apps and everything working here. Yeah, it's so nice to see the possibility to run full Windows here. So you have the Metro interface as well as the desktop interface as well. Another cool thing is, even for this price, there's 1 year of Office 365 which is being bundled with the device, so you can actually activate it after you get the device. So to activate it by October 1st 2015. So the moment you activate it, you have to actually sign into your Hotmail or Microsoft account and get it activated. Obviously the touch is not as precise on something like a high-end device, but still gets the work done, and it's probably one of the cheapest Windows tablets in the market. I think the other one we had seen is the HP Extreme 7. It's about $100. So this is somewhere in that range, but an Indian manufacturer, iBall. So as you can see, I think it was 16 GB of memory, but actual usable memory is only about 9.45 GB, and the actual usable out of the 9.45 after the OS and everything is only about 5.36 GB. So yes, this is tricky, but considering the price and considering you're not going to be using this as your gaming machine, so you can actually use a micro SD card on this slot here, use that and expand it to 64 GB. So you get about 70 GB of space, which is decent. So here we have the free case which was bundled. So actually it's a USB powered keyboard. So you're going to be plugging it into the USB port here. as you can see, we heard the Windows noise, the sound for a new accessory being detected. So it's not the most fancy stuff. It's not Bluetooth. It's like just a direct USB connection. So you have keyboards working already. So let's actually try typing something. Let's open up Notepad. So yeah, so you have a keyboard here, and you have the function keys as well. So in case you want help, you can hit F1, and it's pretty nicely done. So it actually doubles up as a carrying case as well once you disconnect it. So yeah, you can actually carry the device with this. Actually seems like a protective case as well. So you have a stand on the back to make it stand. So overall, that's the iBall Windows 8 tablet powered by an Intel Atom processor, and it's currently available for about 10,000 rupees on Snapdeal. Do it a like if you like this video, and do subscribe to our channel if you've not done so already, and check out our other videos as well. And thanks for watching.